Okay, so this is my Subrosa Malum Street 2003 or 2010. It's got both of their parts on there. First off, it's my bike jack, by the way. First off, I'll start with my Pistro, I think, dart drum grips that are lock on, and the other one. And then I got Shadow Conspiracy brake levers, Shadow Conspiracy brakes, and some knockoff brand cables. And then for my stem, I have a Subrosa stock stem with all the bolts are stock. So, and my tires are, of course, you can guess it, Shadow Conspiracy Subrosa. My rims are also Shadow Conspiracy. And going to my frame, I got a Malum frame, Subrosa Malum frame, which is the lightweight version of it. It's very nice, sturdy. It's held up to any trick that I've done. My pedals, Shadow Conspiracy. My cranks, stock Subrosa, you know. I have a Subrosa sprocket. My right side is my right foot forward. See? And then, so, it's my washer and dryer, by the way, and my stove. But back tire, Shadow Conspiracy with shadow rims. Of course, my rims all messed up. And then I got a half-length shadow chain with high mat. And I have this stock bolts. There's no bolt in that one. Yeah.
Is this for YouTube?
Mm-hmm.